Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to use charms. You might have seen those small charms at any like craft or jewelry store. You can see the image here, these types of charms. So using that, what all you can make, I'll be showing you all a few ideas today. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. So the first thing we're going to make is a very simple charm necklace, that is using this, which you get it readily in any store where you get such craft items. One I can suggest is Itsy Bitsy. You get all of these stuffs. So yes, one is this, and the charm I'm going to use in that is this one, as you can see, because so in this I've already attached a hook, if you can see here, just a moment. Okay, this is the hook I've attached. Just hold my hand, you can see. Yes, so this is the hook I've attached, and in between I've taken two separate ones. I took one and I've cut it into two and then attached a ring in the middle, in the center. So yes, so now I'll be attaching this charm, which you can see, to this ring which is in the middle of the chain. So here you go. I'm opening it. I'll put another ring inside this because if I don't, then the charm will be in a wrong position. It'll be like this, not like this. So I'm putting another ring, and then I'm going to attach the charm to this second ring. So here you go. And yes, so the first thing, that is the charm necklace, is ready. Just wear it. 1 minute. Here you go. Yes, just remove my hairs. So you can see it here. Wait. Let me put my other chain inside so you can see this. So yes, this is how it comes. So yes, so this is the chain. Now let me go to the next idea, that is obviously earrings. So I've taken two charms for this earring, that is, one is this one, a shell type, and another one is this one, that is a star type. I'll hold it with the ring. So you can see a star here. So anyways, I hope you have seen it. Now what I am going to do is, firstly I am going to attach two rings over this shell one. So let me do that. Here you go. It's the first ring. One. And the second ring. And attached to this is here. So then after that, I take another ring and I'm going to attach it to the bottom of the shell. So let's do that. Here you go. Oh, okay. So I'm ready with the first part of this. The shell is attached. So okay. So now the star one which I've taken, I'll be attaching it below the shell where only one ring has been attached. So I'll attach to that ring. Okay, so here you go. It's almost ready. Now the final thing is we have to attach this hook here, which I'm going to do now. Done. So the earring is ready. The second pair is here. I've already made one. So the earring is ready as well. So let me wear it. So here you go. I'm wearing this. And here. Okay. So here you can see it. I'm liking it. So next idea which I'm going to show you all using this charm is bracelet. So let me start with that. I already have a bracelet which I got long back. So you can also make bracelet using beads and elastic thread. I already have one, so I thought I'll use this one. So now I have 5 charms for this, which are 2 of this, as you can see. I don't know if it's clear enough. So yes, here you go. 2 of this. It's a bit like sun type design, and 2 of these, which is leaf type, smaller ones, and one in between will be this one. This is a longer leaf. So yes, this one. So yes, we'll be using these 5. So yes, here is the bracelet. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to attach jump rings to each of these charms first. So let me do that. Okay, so I'm ready with all the 5. So now I'll take the bracelet and I'm going to select 5 of these. That is 1, 2, 3. No, let me select this one. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So this will be the middle one. To this I'll be attaching this bigger leaf. So let's do that. So we already did this with this one. So now to the sides, 2 sides of this, I'm going to attach this type of 2 small leaves. Okay, so yes, let me do that. Okay, so we are ready with the other 2 leaves. And finally, the next 2 will be these 2, that is the sun type of charm, as you can see. Okay, I don't know if it's clear, but yes. So I'll attach this and then show it to you. Okay, so finally our bracelet is also ready, as you can see. So let me wear this. So here you go. Oh yes, do you see this? I liked it. Okay. So last but not the least, the next idea I'm going to show you all is a zip ring, I can say. So I'll show you all what it is. For this you need only 1 jump ring and 1 charm, for which I'm going to use this one. It's the key type. I'll just show you all. So it's just like a key. So let me connect it with the jump ring first. There you go. And yes, it is ready. It's a key. Okay. So what I'm going to do with this is, I have my purse here. You can use anything, a pouch or anything you have with the zip. And this one, open the jump ring and connect it with the ring that is connected to the zip. or if you have a proper zip, there will be some hole, obviously, some slot, so you can connect it to that. And I connected it to this one. You can see here is like a key, so something that suits like opening a zip, a key. So yes, I hope you can see it clearly. Let me just make the brightness a bit less. Okay. So I hope it's clear. So yes, that's it. I hope you like this idea. If yes, then hit that like button. Also, if you want more such ideas, you can comment down below. And yes, if you have anything you think that it can be reused but you're not getting any idea of how to reuse that particular thing, you can comment down below, and on any of my videos you can comment and let me know what you have, what you want to reuse and make something creative. So I'll give you all ideas for that. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.